Scorpio, this is your October month third party situation reading. Whatever is happening between you and the other person and the third party, if that is involved, or I could say that it might even just in your head that third party is involved and there is no third party. But let me see what cards are suggesting. This is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate. Keep that in mind, Scorpio. This is your third party situation reading where I'm going to tell you the energy of your partner, the energy of you, Scorpio, and the future of this relationship. I'll also pull two love oracle cards which will tell how this is going to happen and whether the future or the decision that you're going to take about this relationship is moving in the right direction or not. And keep in mind that this is a general reading, so it might or might not resonate. Please keep whatever resonates, and if it does, please do give it a thumbs up. This is your partner's energy, this is your energy, and this is the future of this relationship. And we have two oracle cards which will tell where this relationship is moving towards and how this is going to be in the month of October. So it's a monthly reading, so do not take it as a lifetime reading. The things are for the month of October only. So whatever your relationship status in the month of October will be, Scorpio, will be reflected. Okay, Scorpio, we have the energies that are present here are Pisces, we have Gemini and Aquarius air sign, we have um, Sagittarius and Capricorn Aquarius. These are the signs that you might be dealing with in a situation, or the third party has these signs. So what is happening right now, Scorpio? So your partner, Scorpio, they are a kind of person who are very emotionally sensitive and intuitive. Okay, and they are that kind of a person who are not very good at expressing themselves. Okay, but they are very genuine and they have a lot of they care for you, and they have a lot of empathy towards you, compassion towards you, but they are at the same time emotionally conflicted. And I guess the person that you're dealing with, Scorpio, is someone who is very much you know attracted towards other people, and they are very how do I say, they are very much so they are uh, they are not inclined towards commitment. This is what I can see. And you, on the other hand, you are very intuitive, you are very sensitive, and you are looking for a commitment. You want this to become permanent. You are asking them for a commitment, and you are asking them to tell you that okay, this is it, and this, you are the one, you are my final partner, or boyfriend or girlfriend or whatever it is. Like, you are my destiny and my end final destination, this kind of energy you are in. And but again, your partner is not giving you commitment, and that is why you are very confused right now. And you can sense it that something is hidden, something your partner is trying, is hiding some secrets, and they are uh, they are having I don't know, but this might be for very few of you, not for everyone. But your partner is having multiple relationships, and I won't say relationships because it's a one night stand thing. So they are that kind of a person that who believes who doesn't believe in the institution of commitment and fixed relationships or something. They are like, okay, let's just have fun for the moment and then move on. This is the kind of energy that your partner has. And you are struggling between trusting your intuitions and fearing whether you are overthinking or not. So Scorpio, the cards, at least the cards are telling me this is the energy that you're not overthinking. Your partner is involved in multiple I won't say relationships, but with multiple people, you can say. Okay. And they have a lot of options, and they are that kind of person who can't say no to anyone, and they keep their strings attached. Okay. So for very few of you, it might also be a case that they recently had a breakup and then they found you and you guys came together, but then they are not able to get over their ex. This might also be a energy. We have hangman because, and we have a string attached. So this for very few of you, this might be a scenario that your person is still thinking about their ex. They are not over them, and that is that this is what they are. And they are not even telling you this thing, so you are fearing that maybe they will leave you and they will go back to them. But Scorpio, we have the hanged man, which means that there is a suspension and there is no immediate relief in the situation. But this also means that they are unable to decide what to do. They are, they are attached to you. Maybe they are spiritually connected to you, or maybe physically they are very much dependent on you. But there is a connection between you two, because of which they are not able to leave you. And the third party is involved. It might be a lot of other parties, fourth, fifth, sixth, also for some of you. But your partner is stuck with you. They are not able to leave you. And the situation that you are having right now, be it a phase where you people are not actively involved with each other, or be it a phase where you guys are in touch and you are communicating, but sometimes your partner is like they flip. Like today they are bombarding you with love and everything, and the very next day they stop talking to you. This might also be the case for some of you, Scorpio. So if that is happening, this is going to say for the month of October, I don't see any change. Okay. In the bottom of the deck, we have healthy choices, which clearly says that you need to start loving yourself. You need to start focusing on yourself, your self-care, and your love. Your love means that you need to start loving yourself. You need to start taking care of your life. And the situation that you are in, if you are scared that your partner might leave you because of the third party, that is not going to happen. The hangman energy clearly says that this is a state of stagnation, and the things will be like this. Okay. For at least the month of October, nothing is going to change. And again, the healthy choices card says that you need to let go of any control, because these things are not under your control. You can't force someone to fall in love with you, right, Scorpio? So though your partner has a lot of options, if you will try to conclude this reading, so understand this thing, that your partner has a lot of options and they are not ready to commit to you. They will not commit to you in the near future. I'm so sorry for that, but this is how it is happening. And it is a good thing. If you take it in a positive way, it's a good thing, because unless and until they are clear from their head and mind about the other people that are residing there, there is no space for you. So let them just first create space for you. And by creating space, I mean that the whole territory should belong to you and not to any third, fourth, fifth party, right? So let them create some space for you. And because they are not going to leave you, they are emotionally attached to you. They want to stick around. They want you to be with them. So let this be there. Let them clean their mind for the time being, when they are working on themselves, when the universe is telling them what they are doing to themselves and to you. You meanwhile concentrate on yourself. You concentrate on your self-care, and you concentrate on your happiness and love and life. and let the universe work. Okay, and this is the situation for the month of October, and I have a very positive vibe, Scorpio, that this situation will turn into your favor as we move on to the next month, and that we'll see in the next month read. But for now, the situation that you are in will remain the same. They are not going to leave you, but again, they are not even going to commit to you. The best thing that you can do is to focus on yourself, because the moment you'll start focusing on yourself, the moment you will start giving time to yourself, things will come for you. So this is how energies work. You start loving yourself, the world will love you. If you hate yourself, the world will hate you. So try to build yourself. Okay, make them realize that you are the one that they need, and not they want, but they need you, and without you they will be nothing. So this is your energy, Scorpio. I hope it helps, and if it does, then please give a thumbs up to this reading. Thank you for watching.